Hey, guess what, man? Everybody should eat local beef, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shakara man in the pan. Eat local beef. Awesome. Hey, guess what? I got two of the greatest educators, but who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Big shakara man in the pan. Hey, guess what, man? Here's all the greatest people from Seater, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Big shakara man in the pan. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. On New Year's Day, I prepare traditional dishes. The food doesn't only taste good, but it makes me feel good. This is what I learned from my elders that puts me in a positive frame of mind throughout the year. First, there's the ozoni, a soup made with ingredients from the ocean to the mountain. Need to use odd number of ingredients, where each ingredient has a special meaning to help you in the new year. Besides the ozoni, a Thai snapper or red fish, and bring you happiness, good health, and a wonderful year. Eating noodles will bring you long life. Shrimp, taco, takenoko also helps to bring you long life and makes you a flexible person. Gobo and carrots are roots that will keep you grounded. And kazunoko for fertility. There are two types of kazunoko, the salted kazunoko and the kombu kazunoko. Kombu kazunoko is eggs on a seaweed, where the kombu also brings you happiness. And kurumame to keep you in good spirits and healthy, but you need to eat the amount of beans that's your age. Puri will help you get promoted, or you'll be able to move ahead in life. But don't forget the hasu, because it'll give you a vision to look in the future. The kombu or seaweed brings in happiness, found in many dishes like kombu make, nishime, kuromame. And the yellow sweet potato, due to the golden color, brings in wealth. So does the round mushroom that is shaped like a coin. And the kamaboko is shaped like the first sunrise of the New Year's, which is when luck is at its peak. Here at KTA, through many generations, I've learned the importance of keeping food traditions and try to pass it on to generations to come. This New Year's, try preparing the different traditional dishes. Prepare the recipe and try to prepare it yourself. So to bring in the New Year's, here's our tasty food fireworks.
Peppers, but it's really good. Yeah.
So from our employees, management, business associates, and suppliers, we want to first say thank you, everyone. But most so, please have an awesome and happy 2025. Aloha.